GoMix C1TE Tile Adhesive Standard Application Tutorial. Tools Preparation. Prepare the necessary tools before construction to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Substrate cleaning. First, check the wall for any hollow spots or loose areas. For uneven surfaces, sand them down or repair them with mortar in advance. Ensure the entire working surface is solid and level. Next, thoroughly clean the substrate. It must be free of dust, resin, oil, and grease. Pre-wet dry substrates, ensuring there is no standing water before application. Step 2. Applying multi-purpose primer and tile back primer. GoMix S9 multi-purpose primer. It is ready to use upon opening. Apply evenly from top to bottom, ensuring 100% coverage of the working surface, without any misses. The S9 primer needs to dry for 24 hours. Do not start tiling until it is completely dry. Next, prepare the tiles by cleaning them thoroughly. Perform a water test on low absorption tiles. For oily tiles, the release agent must be removed before use. Then, apply GoMix S8 tile back primer evenly on the back of the tile. Ensure 100% coverage. The back primer must dry and form a film before the tiles can be laid. Step 3. Mixing the adhesive. Now, we will prepare the GoMix C1TE tile adhesive. The mixing order is crucial. Always pour the water first, then add the powder. Mix according to a powder-to water ratio of 1:4. Use an electric mixer to blend thoroughly until it reaches a uniform, lump-free paste state. Step 4. Tiling application. Based on the flatness of the wall and the size of the tiles, select a suitable notch trowel. Use the standard manual double-sided coating technique, applying the adhesive evenly to both the working surface and the back of the tile. This ensures maximum bonding strength and prevents hollow spots. Position the tiles, then press and tap them into place. Fix the tile leveling system. To ensure a flat surface, then use a tile vibrator to level them. Ensure the tiles are firmly and evenly bonded. Step 5. Tile grouting. After tiling, wait for the adhesive to dry completely before starting the grouting process. First, clean out all residual debris from the tile joints. Next, prepare the GoMix CG to color tile grout. For narrow joints, use a powder-to water ratio of 0.31 to 0.33. For wide joints, use a powder-to water ratio of 0.22 to 0.4. Mix into a uniform, lump-free paste. When grouting, press the grout into the joints along the diagonal direction. Ensure it is packed tightly, then scrape off the excess grout. Once the grout has set slightly, wipe the tile surface clean with a damp sponge. Result display. The above is the complete application process for GoMix C1TE tile adhesive. GoMix's full range of tile adhesives and supporting products can meet construction needs in various scenarios, helping you create a firm and level tiling finish.